In this video, I'm going to show you a way to search millions of books and come up with new topics using Google Semantic Search. So this is something that is new. It's not just Google it. And before I tell you about it, my name is Eric Siu. I am the host of the Growth Everywhere Entrepreneurial Podcast and the co-host of the Daily Marketing School podcast with my co-host, Neil Patel. So this is simple. I was at TED recently and I had the privilege of watching Ray Kurzweil, Google's, I believe he's the head of AI over there, and he was talking about how he came up with something new. And he's been working on this for quite a while. And basically it is Google Talk to Books. You are able to search through millions of books using semantic search. So the thing there is, it's not just based on keyword search anymore. It is based on Google's trying to look for the meaning of what you're looking for. So for example, if I'm searching for books over here, if I type in what is love, for example, you can see inside here that I have a bunch of books here. I have different passages about what love is, and you can see the actual book itself, and you can see we have 6 titles over here. I can also look for more passages too. Now, I think the beauty behind this is that I don't need to go through and search for, hey, what are books about love? What are the best books about love, for example? I think I just repeated myself twice because I'm trying to make a point, or could be another reason. But anyway. So looking at this right here, you can see it says, Love is an unsalaried adjunct professor at the University of Wyoming, an advisor to graduate students in. So you can see Google has a little work to do here. Let's look at the second one. Love is signaled through a series of affiliation cues that generate movement toward the love object, as it has been theorized to promote commitment between love partners. I think we're getting a little warmer. Let's continue to go down here. Keep in mind, this is, Google's still trying to get better at this stuff. They are, trying to figure out this AI stuff. One definition is that love is a collection of behaviors, thoughts, and emotions that are associated with a psychological attraction toward other individuals. I think we're onto something here. So anyway, if you're looking to do like a book report, if you're looking to have other sources, if you're looking to come up with different topic ideas, like if I write something on content marketing right here, like what is content marketing? See what we got. Now this is much better, see? Content marketing involves creating, curating, distributing, and amplifying content as interesting, relevant, and useful to a clearly defined audience group in order to create conversations about the content. That's beautiful. That's what I'm doing to you right now. The people that are watching this, you've been targeted. The keywords in this, right? If I'm running an ad towards it, if you're watching this on LinkedIn, for example. So Google Talk to Books, it's very, very cool. If you like AI stuff, check out Ray Kurzweil. This guy plans to live forever. Check it out again. If you enjoyed this, tell us what you plan to do with this. Tell us what you plan to do with AI. Tell us what you plan to do in terms of living forever. And don't forget to hit subscribe. See you tomorrow.